What up, YouTube? This is something a bit different. We're going to talk about regrets. And my regrets, I have so many regrets that I make. And let's talk about Bitcoin. So, Bitcoin. Daily. You know what? It annoys me. It angers me. I keep looking at the charts. I keep looking at the price of the coin. And it's just steadily going up. And the regrets I have is not buying as much as I could have. I said to myself, before retail went into lockdown back in March, I said to myself, you know what I'm going to do? If retail goes into lockdown, I'm going to invest in stocks, shares, crypto, that sort of stuff. I said that to myself because I already had a bit of investment here and there, but nothing major. And then came around end of March, went into lockdown. I thought to myself, you know what, man, I think I should do that. But then it's just, I felt, okay, I'm not going to put too much into it. I put a bit into it, not that much into it, because I felt that I didn't want to take such a huge risk, because in the past, I've taken risks and they haven't paid off. And at the end of the day, if you don't take risks, you don't get anywhere. And I've just become older and sort of less risk taking, you can say. I mean, I feel that something always goes wrong if I take a risk, and if I fuck up, that means I'll start back from square one. I have to do everything all over again. I don't want to go through that. I've lost out in the past, and I've learned from my mistakes. And I thought to myself, okay, let's invest. Okay, stocks and shares, and then crypto. I'm kicking myself. Ethereum. We'll talk about them in a different discussion as well. But I looked back to myself and saying, why the fuck didn't I fucking invest more? I just fucking took a little lick, and I didn't even take a bite. I just took a fucking lick, and it pisses me off. And then what happens is Bitcoin goes from when I put some money into it, which was 4,000. It went up to 10,000, and I thought to myself, oh, we're getting there. 10,000. Got rid of some crypto. Then I thought, okay, I'll hold back. I won't get rid of any more. And then it was January, and then it went to 30,000. It went to 30,000. I was like, whoa, 30,000. Okay, this is serious now. And I was on the edge of my seat, and I'm thinking to myself, okay, 30,000. And then I was like, you know what? I said to myself, look, I'm not going to sell. If it goes up, if it stays around sort of like 27, 10%, okay, then maybe. But then if it goes anything further than that, it's like any sort of thing when you're investing in like stocks and shares. You have these sort of like stop buys, or these limit buys, and these sell options. So I said to myself, look, I'll do the same thing as that as well. So what I'll do, if it gets below a certain mark, I'll sell. So January 24th, wow, man, just thinking about it just hurts. Went down to 24k on crypto, and I was like, on Bitcoin, and I was like, oh, fuck it, bubble popped. If I sit it any longer, it's going to drop even further than that. I can't risk it for a biscuit. Get rid of it. Got rid of it. Looking back now, think to myself, all the times, I swear to God, if I had a time machine, I would go back and I'll slap this motherfucker in the face. I was like, oi, buy now, buy it, just buy it, yeah? Buy now, March, put in 30k, put in like 40k, 50k, fuck it, man. Just put in everything, just bet it all, yeah? You see that roulette wheel, you're on the table there, you're in the casino floor, just fucking roll for it. Just trust me. If I had that insight, I swear to God, if I had that insight, oh my fucking God. But then you know what, it hurts because you have that sort of idea saying, you know what, this could go somewhere, you should invest. And you pull the trigger, but you just don't put it hard enough, and you just think to yourself, fucking why the fuck didn't I? I knew, but I didn't act. I didn't do enough, and it kills me and it hurts, because if I had done what I could have done, I could have been sitting on, say, fucking like over a million in just Bitcoin, and it fucking hurts. It hurts, man. It's like a stab in the chest. So, damn. So that's regret. That's crypto. That's Bitcoin. That's not Bitcoin. We're gonna talk about Ethereum as well, yeah. But yeah, we'll continue that. If you like more of this stuff, fucking hell, man. I got. You know what? I just do this for the hell of it, man. You know, to be honest, I sit there, I contemplate, and I think to myself, fucking hell, I should record the thoughts in my brain, and maybe someone else is out there, maybe had the same sort of experience as me. You know, maybe there'll be like something that you can discuss. You know, who knows? Anyway, this has been Ace. As always, like, subscribe if you need more of this, and yeah, peace out.